Nvidia has scrambled to retain its AI crown ever since DeepSeek sparked a sell-off in AI stocks back in January. It's 22% below its all-time high amid intensifying competition. So will it do enough to entice skeptics? Let's ask our next guest. He's got a neutral on the stock. Luria is senior software analyst at D.A. Davidson. Gil, we made a Freudian slip that we said it's GPU event, but it's GTC. And I was curious the other day, I thought, what does GTC stand for? And it stands for GPU Tech Conference or something. Point being, this is a super, super wonky thing to have so many people purportedly excited about. Is it overhyped?
Not at all. It's the main AI event of the year. Let's not forget to give Nvidia credit for a lot of the advancements we have in AI are because they a long time ago realized the potential for their graphics chips to provide the ability to do these transformer calculations that make all of this AI possible, first in the labs at Google and then at the labs of OpenAI. And over the last few years, Nvidia has done a lot to promote the whole ecosystem. That's what this event is about, inviting everybody that's anybody in AI to talk about what they can accomplish together using Nvidia's products.
Right. So I've read a few notes. I mean, you tell me yours, but Blackwell Ultra, right? That's one of the things. What are the keywords that a non-expert like myself needs to hear to know if the stock is going to rally or, possible problems that could cause it to sell off?
So in terms of the products, there's Blackwell Ultra that's coming out this year, and then Rubin that's probably coming out next year. And what we're going to be listening for from Jensen Huang is multiples. How much faster is Blackwell Ultra than Blackwell? How much faster, how many teraflops per second can Rubin do faster than Blackwell Ultra? That's going to tell us a lot about if Nvidia can continue to maintain its product leadership over the ASIC chip providers like Broadcom, like Marvell, increasingly like Huawei.
Gil, what about this idea that kind of shocked markets a couple weeks ago when DeepSeek came out and it was done on a much smaller platform and implied that you need many fewer chips to do high-level AI? Is that idea kind of faded now, or is Nvidia just powering past that with more powerful chips that people are going to need to buy no matter what? If they're buying chips, they're going to buy these high-end ones.
That idea really shouldn't fade, because what's happening with these AI models is they're getting so much smaller, so much faster, that we're not far away from a day where we'll be able to do inference calculation on our device, on a phone, on a PC, not at a data center. And so this is very important for thinking about how long of a runway Nvidia has is when do models get small enough that we don't do inference at a data center. And since pre-training, or what we used to refer to as training, is something that's starting to hit a wall as well, we're not sure how many data centers we're actually going to need 2, 3, 5 years from now. And that's the concern that overhangs Nvidia.